morning, everybody! So we have had some birthdays, some very special birthdays this month. So today we're going to be learning about birthdays. Are you ready to sing? Let's go!
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Ya Manuia lo Aso Fanau. Ya Manuia lo Aso Fanau. Ya Manuia lo Aso Fanau. Manuia le tua. Happy birthday! To ask someone how old they are, what do you say? Olea lo matua lea uiai. Pe e fia o tausanga. E fia tausanga o tama lea. E lea ni tausanga o na ia. E lei a toa se tasi tausanga. Let's do some Samoan words for birthdays. The greeting to say to wish someone a good day is Ia Manuia lo Waso. When it's their birthday, we just add Aso Fanau at the end. Ia Manuia lo Waso Fanau. Meaalofa. Meaalofa is a present. Ole keke. Keke is cake. Sukalaki is chocolate. Balloony is balloons. Ole pati is a party. Usule pese, sing the song. Vala'aulia is invitation. Why vala'aulia lo Aso Fanau? If I say vala'aulia mo lo Aso Fanau, vala'aulia nisi mo lo Aso Fanau. O is friends. Wo. E fia ni a wo e o mai. Aofia woia o mai. How many of your friends are coming? Ia whaamanuia le atua ia te oe. God bless you. Bye bye. Toi whetawi. Ia manuia lo waso.